Hello again, fellow BeachBum traders. Thank you for joining us for part one of our series on how to inflation-proof your portfolio. In this series, we will share with you a compilation of strategies, trade ideas, and techniques on how to inflation-proof your portfolio. And we'll start with some extracts from our previous game plans going back all the way from September of 2021, where we were already preparing our beach bum trading community for preparing for inflation, Fed tapering, and higher interest rates, and also techniques and strategies and trade ideas on how to make money from hot inflation and accelerated tapering and interest rate hikes. And since that time, that's exactly what we've seen is high inflation, Fed tapering, and higher interest rates, and we continue to see accelerated Fed tapering and increasing interest rates. So again, in this series of videos on how to inflation-proof your portfolio, we will share with you our strategies, our trade ideas, our techniques for how you can make money and inflation-proof your portfolio. So stick around. We hope you'll subscribe to our channel, click the bell notify icon so that you will be notified when subsequent parts of this series are released, and you can continue to learn how to inflation-proof your portfolio and benefit and succeed in your trading career from these strategies, trade ideas, and techniques. So let's get started.
So as we talked about, we're expecting in the long run increased inflation, increased rate hikes, interest rate hikes. Again, all of this, in the future in 2022 and beyond, and the Fed tapering. So if we're thinking long term, and we know we're currently in this late September swoon, so we're expecting, the trend to be down, but thinking long term, let's talk about some strategies, that can help you, particularly if you're a long-term investor or if you just want to make some long-term investments to sit there while you do shorter-term swing, day trading, etc. So the first point is, don't sit on cash. Cash, there's one of the financial guys said cash is trash. But the point is cash doesn't make you any money right now. So you don't just, I hear some people say, oh, I'm just going all cash. Well, okay, that doesn't do you any good. You can put that cash to work. If you think the market's going down, then short the market. If you think volatility is increasing, then play volatility. Don't just sit on cash. Invest your cash in some asset, stocks, bonds, whatever, real estate, something that's going to pay you a compound annual dividend over inflation. Now, the Fed's targeting a 2% inflation, but they said this year, next year, it's going to be over 2%, could be 4%, could be higher. So you need to be making, if you're looking long-term, particularly retirement, fixed income, etc., you need to be making more than inflation, so you need to be making more than 2% of your cash. So one of the ways is dividend stocks, and we've shown you in the past, how you can search for a dividend stock with a greater than 2% yield in FinViz. And again, you can find that in our previous videos. We've got the search for stocks in FinViz. You can reference that. You can find our affiliate link to FinViz below. So that will help you find dividend stocks that will beat inflation. Park your cash in assets that are low risk, low volatility, so these oscillations in the market don't cause you stress, and they have an annual growth that's going to beat inflation or be more than 2%. So again, for the long term, that's what we would recommend. Again, inflation is going to be increasing. There's talk about stagflation, etc. I don't know if that will happen. But sitting in cash your cash is going to lose value due to inflation, rising interest rates, etc. And there are ways to invest that cash to make you more money than losing it due to inflation.
Okay, let's very quickly review and add our commentary to the economic data and announcements we got from last week. So on Tuesday, we got that the PPI, the producer price index, data is hotter than expected and the highest on record. And again, that indicates, increased inflation going forward. Even though, now the Fed's retired the word transitory, they're still, acting like some of it is. But the fact that producers' inflation is high, that's going to trickle into consumer inflation, right? So then on Wednesday, we've got November retail sales was a big miss. There's talk that some of the consumer purchasing may have been moved forward due to supply chain issues. We will see. We also got import prices were very high. Again, all these are indications of ongoing very high inflation. Then we got the FOMC meetings. They doubled the rate of tapering to 30 billion per month. So they're looks like they're going to wrap up their tapering by mid-March. Everyone's talking that there's 3 interest rate hikes expected in 22, 3 in 23, 1 to 2 in 24, and the terminal interest rate will approach 2%, which is kind of their inflation target. So again, that's, they really punched the accelerator as we talked about last week. There's some discussion as how fast we'll get the first interest rate hike. Will it be right after the mid-March tapering wrap up? He did say they wouldn't consider interest rate hikes until they complete the tapering. But it could be very rapid after that. I've also seen there's like 6 FOMC meetings next year, and people kind of expect, every other one they might do a hike, see how it goes, do a hike, etc. So that's kind of some of the discussion. But bottom line is interest rates are going up. They're going up more rapidly. If things don't change, it may even go up faster. So that's what we want to prepare for is next year tapering acceleration, interest rate hikes acceleration, continuing high inflation. How do we make money in that environment? So that's what we'll talk about. Thursday we got housing was a little better than expected. Jobless claims were higher than expected, so the job market's a little bit worse than they expected. And then another kind of interesting thing is the Bank of England started raising their interest rates. So their interest rates are already going up. Ours are trailing. So I'm wondering if we're going to see an outflow of money from U.S. treasuries into British treasuries, the pound. The EU has still said they're not going to raise interest rates yet, but this might reverse the flow of money out of the UK and Europe into U.S. bonds, etc., and again reverse that flow. Then on Friday we had the OPEX, the quad-witching OPEX date, and a lot of volatility, and I think that also drove the markets down a bit on Friday. So no major events next week, kind of our typical economic data. So again, we'll talk about, okay, how do we position based on the accelerated tapering, accelerated interest rate hikes, and increasing inflation. The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch list, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello.
BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the BeachBum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration.
Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right hand corner, and we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.